Basic English grammar topic with examples. One. Nouns, name of people, place, things or ideas. Examples. Ali is my friend. Ali is my friend. She lives in London. She lives in London. I have a book. I have a book. Two. Pronoun, word that replaces nouns. Examples. He is my brother. He is my brother. They are playing. They are playing. She is very kind. She is very kind. Three. Verb, action or state of being. Examples. I run every morning. I run every morning. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. They are happy. They are happy. Four. Adjective, words that describe nouns. Examples. This is a big house. This is a big house. She has blue eyes. She has blue eyes. He is a smart student. He is a smart student. Five. Adverb, words that describe verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. How, when, where, how often. Examples. He runs quickly. He runs quickly. She speaks softly. She speaks softly. They come here every day. They come here every day. Six. Prepositions. Show the relationship between things, place, time and direction. Examples. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. She arrived at 5 p.m. She arrived at 5 p.m. He walked to the park. He walked to the park. Seven. Conjunction. Join words or sentences. Examples. I like tea and coffee. I like tea and coffee. He is tired, he will come. He is tired, he will come. Wait here until I return. Wait here until I return. Eight. Articles, a, and, the, are used before nouns. Examples. I saw a dog. I saw a dog. She eats an apple. She eats an apple. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. Nine. Tense, show the time of action. Present simple. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Past simple. She went to the market. She went to the market. Future simple. They will come tomorrow. They will come tomorrow. Sentences structure. Basic structure. Subject plus verbs plus objects. Examples. I eat rice. I eat rice. She reads a book. She reads a book. They are watching TV. They are watching TV.